Hi students, today we are going to crack a few more MCQ questions from alcohol phenol ether. First question, phenol is less acidic than. So they are asking less acidic, so it has to be electron withdrawing group. So this nitro group is electron withdrawing group. So this is orthonitrophenol. This is the structure. Whereas in other compound, it is methoxy and methyl. Both are electron releasing group. Electron releasing group, and ethanol, it's not a aromatic alcohol. So this is electron releasing group. This two electron releasing group decreases acidic character. Decreases acidic character. So phenol will be less acidic than orthonitrophenol. Electron withdrawing group increases acidic character. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Anisole reacts with HI to give. So first we have to write the structure of anisole. Anisole with HI. So when you break this, you can't, so this is the lone pair of electrons which is available on oxygen. You can't break this bond because it will have partial double bond character. Partial double bond character, so you can't break this bond, so obviously we have to break this. So this oxygen is highly electronegative, so this H will go here. So now this is phenol and CH3I will be formed. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. They have given one compound. React with HI to give. So here the clue for HI reaction is always smarter, small, or tertiary. Alkyl halides usually will form halides. So if I break this bond, first we have to check whether it is small or it has to be a tertiary alkyl halide. In this option, we have tertiary alkyl halide is possible. So here this is tertiary. So when I break this bond, this negative part will go to this carbon only. So now the option alcohol and this H will go to alcohol side. So option A is the correct answer. So either small alkyl halide or tertiary. If tertiary is present, obviously it will follow that only. Tertiary is more, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary than primary. So option A will be the correct answer. Next question. So this is or a compound reacts with HI to give. So here it is on the one side it is secondary, on the other side it is primary. So when I break this bond, so it is all obviously it will be secondary carbocation is more stable than primary. So this side it is primary, on the other side it is secondary. So H will go to this side. So option A will be the correct answer. H will go this side, I part will go to other side, and you will be getting the product. Next question, C6H5O. Instead of anisole, they have mentioned this thing. So the same answer. Due to partial double bond character, we can't break this bond. We will break this and we will add H and I. So obviously it is phenol and CH3I will be the correct answer. Next question. CH3OCH3 when treated with excess HI. So first when you take on reaction with HI, so I can write I can break the bond anywhere. So if I break it, so this will be coming H and I will go here. So CH3OH plus CH3I will be formed. Since it is mentioned as excess, so we have to write one more HI. So when I add this, add I and H this side. So it is CH3I, one more molecule. Here 1 mole of CH3I, here 1 mole other mole CH3I will be formed. So 2 moles of CH3I along with 1 mole of water will be formed. So option C is the correct answer. A compound X molecular formula C3H8O can be oxidized by a strong oxidizing agent to another compound Y whose molecular formula is C3H6O2. So when I see this molecular formula, we have only one oxygen. One oxygen is present in, there are three functional groups as one oxygen. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone, or it can be a alcohol. So now we have to write all possible structures with carbon 3. So 1, 2, 3 carbon with aldehyde. So I wrote it like this. Then ketone. So 1, 2, 3 carbon with the ketone always will be at the center carbon. Functional group, the terminal keto group is not possible. So I wrote like this. And then for alcohol it is 1, 2, 3 alcohol. So it is this structure. Now we have to check the molecular formula. So when I check the molecular formula, it is hydrogen 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So we have 8 hydrogen here. So it is not a aldehyde. Then ketone 3 plus 3 6. Again 8 hydrogens are there. So ketone also it's not the correct answer. Now we check with for alcohol. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So it is a alcohol. So option C is the correct answer. Obviously, when you take alcohol on strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4, this primary alcohol will be converted into carboxylic acid. That's why there are two oxygen in carboxylic acid, and it is also mentioned here, which is C3H6O2. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is more acidic? Whenever they talk about acidic character, electron withdrawing group increases acidic character, and electron releasing group decreases acidic character. So since they are asking more acidic character, we have to look for electron withdrawing group. This nitro group is the electron withdrawing group, so it increases acidic character. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following compounds has lowest pKa value, meaning highest acidic character? They are asking. pKa and acidic character are inversely proportional, so highest acidic character they are asking. Acidic character. So as I already told you, electron withdrawing group we have to check, but in this option we have nitro and nitro. So it is not cresol, because cresol will have structure like this. So this CH3 group is electron releasing group, so it is going to decrease the acidic character. It is going to decrease the acidic character. Now option C, B or D. Now if I check B, C and D, in option D we have 3 trinitrophenol. So it is as number of electron withdrawing group increases, acidic character increases. So obviously D will be the correct answer, because we have 3 electron withdrawing group in option D. Next question, which one of the following compound has the highest pKa, meaning lowest acidic character? Now this is nitro, this is nitro, this is also nitro. Obviously this all three will have highest acidic character. Now cresol is having CH3, which is electron releasing group. Obviously this will have lowest acidic character. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, which of the following Grignard reagent will be used with methanol to prepare this alcohol? So whenever we use methanol, primary alcohol will be formed. So this is primary alcohol. The carbon which is connected with only one carbon. So this is primary alcohol. So primary alcohol I want to get. So H C double bond OH with MgBr, because we have one more ring here. So I'm going to introduce the ring in this compound. So now it is benzene. This will get negative charge. This magnesium will get positive charge. So carbon will get positive. This will get negative. So add Mg part to this and the negative part to this. So obviously, so this is going to be the, so on further hydrolysis, if I break the bond between this H and OH, so I'll be getting this compound which is given in the question. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to ketones followed by hydrolysis with dilute acids form. So for Grignard reagent, as I already told you in the last video, Grignard reagent, if you take methanol, it will give primary alcohol. And if you take aldehyde, other than formaldehyde, you will get secondary alcohol. And if you take ketone, it is tertiary alcohol. So since they're asking for ketone, so the option C will be the correct answer, which is tertiary alcohol. Next question. Oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. So primary alcohol to aldehyde, it is with the weak reducing agent PCC and butane 2-one and butane 2-all. So it is a ketone to secondary alcohol. So it is a reducing agent NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Bromination of phenol to 2,46 tribromophenol. So it is bromine water. And dehydration of propane 2-all, secondary alcohol to propene. So it is for secondary alcohol, usually the dehydrating agent is 85% of phosphoric acid. So for the fourth one, it is Q. So option 1 is R. Option 1 is R. So we have only one option for this. Anyway, check the other options also. Second one P, third one S, and fourth one Q. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you.